Hello. I will introduce you to one book. This is a super awesome book by Sylvie Alberti Bawendi about physical chemistry. Okay, so we'll be using this book, Physical Chemistry, from Sylvie, 4th edition. I don't know if there's any latest edition for this book, but this is the usual book that we use. So from all available chapter in this book, I will only use one chapter, part 2, quantum chemistry. This is a very interesting topic, but for thermodynamics and kinetics will be discussed later in different subject with different lecturer as well. So what is actually quantum chemistry? In different subject, quantum chemistry is also mentioned as quantum mechanics. So from the word mechanics, we know that this is because of movement of something. But take the word of quantum, I think you know the word quantum's coming from quant, which is usually means value, quantity, or quantify value. And what value that is mentioned by the quantum is actually energy value in the electron. So basically talking about quantum, have you ever heard about this quantum thing in Ant-Man movie? If you watch Avengers and the Marvel story, there's one story about Ant-Man talking about quantum world. You know what? This quantum world always described as a very small, like a universe or something, and basically that is correct, because in quantum mechanics the rules, the laws and everything is basically different with the normal world. So physics in normal world usually following what we call as Newtonian physics law, like how the apple fall from the trees and how the car moves. You can calculate the speed, the acceleration and stuff. But apparently you cannot apply those rules from the normal world in quantum, because in quantum we talk about the world or the universe in subatomic. Atom consists of electron and proton, and quantum is anything under the skin of your atom, and anything that has the size and any activity inside the atom must follow what we call quantum laws. That will be different with the Newtonian or old physics law, and that is the thing that we will discuss in the quantum chapter. Why it is different? Why you cannot apply the general physics rule in a normal world, or we call that Newtonian or classical physics, in the size of atomic or subatomic? Because if you apply, let's say, one rule, I forgot the name of the rule, but basically when you apply the movement of the electron when it's rotating the proton in the middle and following the Newtonian rule, there will be a collision between the electron and the proton, which has not happened. So the energy calculation and the movement of the calculation is kind of different, and because of that, it is concluded that physics has, or chemistry has, a new law, has a new rule. I think, I forgot in history, but it's somewhere in 1930s, 1940s. Scientists like Broglie, Einstein, Heisenberg found this kind of rules, and anything inside the atomic has a mystery. One of the biggest mystery is what we call as superposition. You know what? Superposition, based on the name, it's a superposition. So you can have at least two different positions of a particle or a thing at the same time. that's weird, but that's happened in subatomic world. So you cannot found that in a normal world, in a bigger than atomic world, but it actually happened inside the atom. That is superposition. And in quantum mechanics chapter, we'll be discussing several weird stuff like reincarnation and what if we can stop the time using a remote or something. Can we pass through the wall? Can we pass through the bricks or concrete? Basically using the concept of quantum mechanics, that can happen. And the biggest mystery is we think that the law that can be applied inside the atom is different with the normal world, but some people think also the normal world maybe have different rule with the other bigger world. And in this chapter, maybe in first time in your life that you're gonna be using the Einstein, a very famous formula, E equals to mc squared. Is that interesting? If you're interested in my class regarding the quantum and we're gonna discuss about Ant-Man, join my class, Physical Chemistry. Thank you.